Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to crochet this beautiful mandala. So I just picked this color and this hook, 2.5 millimeter hook. Let's start. For a start this mandala we make a slip knot. Three chain, count as first double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Now we want to make 4 double crochet into very first chain here. One, two, three, and 4. So we have totally 5 double crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we want to make 2 front post double crochet around the first double crochet like this. One, now another one, 2, now 2 double crochet into very first chain here, one and 2, now 2 front post double crochet again into this 3 chain here. So one and second one, now we want to make 4 double crochet into very first chain here. Here we made, okay, just find it carefully. Here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we want to make a slip stitch top of very first double crochet, top of this 3 chain here. This 3 chain we made 2 front post double crochet around. We want to make a slip stitch here, top of this. I just find it carefully. And round 1 finish, it's like this. One more time I want to explain. We had 5 double crochet at first, 2 front post double crochet around the first double crochet, 2 double crochet into very first chain, 2 front post double crochet around the first double crochet, and then 4 double crochet, then a slip stitch top of very first double crochet, and it's look like this. Round 2, 3 chain, count as first double crochet. We want to make popcorn, so we want to make popcorn around this 3 chain of round 1 here. We had 3 chain here, so 4 more double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Totally 5. So 5 double crochet around 3 chain of round 1, and now we want to make a popcorn. Like this. Chain 1, 2 front post double crochet around the first double crochet. We have 4 double crochet here. Around the first one we want to make 2 front post double crochet. 1 and 2, a chain. Now around this 3, 1, 2, 3, we want to make back post half double crochet like this. One around the second one, 2, and another one here, 3. Now we have 2 front post double crochet here. Chain 1, a front post double crochet around the first front post double crochet, 2 front post double crochet around the next 1 and 2, chain 1. We had 2 double crochet here. Top of first double crochet we make a double crochet. Now a front post double crochet around the same double crochet. A front post double crochet around the next double crochet. A double crochet, top of same double crochet, chain 1, 2 front post double crochet around this front post, a front post double crochet around next front post, a chain. We want to make back post half double crochet around this 3, 1, 2, 3, back post half double crochet, and 3, a chain, 2 front post double crochet around the next double crochet here, 1 and 2, now a chain, slip stitch top of very first double crochet, top of this 3 chain of this popcorn. Here we want to make it slip stitch, just find it carefully, and a slip stitch. Round 2, it's like this.